Hello people, I'm going to attempt to make my mom's special salted steamed chicken. This recipe is one of my favorites. I hope I'm not gonna butcher it. She shared the recipe with me, so I'm gonna try make it and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I do not have a whole chicken, which is usually what my mom uses. Today I have a large chicken breast and 5 little drumsticks. I'm gonna start and brine these guys. Mom says marinate the chicken with sea salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I got my ingredients. I've got this sesame oil. It's my favorite. It's the Kadoya brand. I don't know if you can see it. Whoop. We've got white pepper. And then we also have coarse salt. I'm just gonna cut the chicken up. Hopefully it'll marinate better. Big chicken breast. I'm gonna cut this into smaller pieces. I know there's a bone in here. We like to buy chicken breast that has a bone in, only because we find that it retains the moisture better. Dump it in this bowl. Boop. And then Mom says I just need to marinate with some salt. The longer I marinate this, the better it's gonna be. I guess it's gonna marinate for 4 to 5 hours. I'm gonna add the white pepper. And then we're also gonna do the sesame oil. So I'm not really measuring or anything. I'm just going by feel. Very Cantonese way of cooking. It actually smells really good. I'm just gonna put this into the fridge. Tonight, when it's almost dinner time, I will take this out and then we will steam it. Making sure it's nice and tight. Check it out. All right, see you later. Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm going to start making the gochujang, which is green onion and ginger sauce that goes really well with chicken. I have a sad ginger. Don't use sad ginger like me, but I'm gonna try my best to see how much I can save here. Okay, this is the amount of ginger that I was able to save. So we're just gonna use what we have. What I'm gonna do is slicing it. Are going to roughly chop the ginger. We've also got some green onion. This is a very simple sauce, a must-have in our household. Put it in here. I'm gonna do medium-high heat, and once it heats up, I'm gonna add some oil. Avocado oil. You can always do this, put the oil directly in here, but today I'm actually gonna put this into the oil. And chop it even finer if you want, but this is my chunky version. So I could either add this fan, which is already a pre-mixed salt, or you can just add salt and white pepper. Alright, so let's see how the chicken turned out. There it is. You can do a 20-minute steam. Okay, so what I have here is the stand, and we are gonna add some water. Okay, so water is boiling and chicken is ready. So we're now gonna put this guy right in here. Open. Slowly lower that in. And fingers crossed. The plate was kind of sticking to the lid, so you can see here I put a chopstick on top, just to let the air flow in a little bit better. So what I'm gonna do now is turn off the heat. And then we are gonna let it sit in there for 15 minutes. Do not open the lid. We're gonna let the steam finish the cooking. So I already put some sauce in there. I couldn't wait. I took a bite. Look at how juicy it is. Whoa, so good. It's so smooth. So 20 minutes and then 15 minutes with the lid on. Do not take the lid off. Hope you enjoy. Okay, it's dinner time.
Can I have some chicken too?